Hi everyone, in part 2. Today we will work on the back side. Switch on solo mode, go to back view. First thing first, I will change the material for the back side. I will make the alpha 0.5. Change the color to black. Create a reference image. Select everything and settle. Then I will select this face, duplicated, rotated along x-axis by 180, and I will move it here. Okay, that's good. Now I will go to vertex select, join them, and by pressing Ctrl R, I will create a vertex here. Select this one, join them, select this one, press G twice and move it like this. I will select this vertex, press L, and delete the faces. Right now, I will enable X-ray, go to face select and select this half. Delete the face. Go back to object mode. I will add mirror modifier, clipping, and apply it. Select this face. Ctrl Shift this face, deselect this and this, and set them a little, and extrude them along y-axis, not too much. Now create a loop here and bevel it as we do always, and another one here, and move it. I will create a loop here and one more here. Select this loop, press G twice, and do the same for this loop. I will dissolve this loop, create a new one and bevel it. Go to face select and select these faces and set them 2 times. Right click, loop tools, and circle. I will adjust the position, scale it. Then I will delete the faces, select the loop here, Ctrl F, grid fill. Just follow along with me right now. Now scale them along z-axis by 0 and do the same for this side. Now I will select the new faces and extrude them along Y. You can insert this face one time, create a loop here and bevel it, and create another one outside. Just press once and press E and move it close to the edge. To see what's happening here, we can add subdivision surface and shade smooth. So right now I will select the new faces. I will duplicate them and separate them. Select the new object, go to edit mode, select everything and extrude them along Y-axis. Now switch on solo mode. For this part I will add one loop here and bevel it. Dissolve them. And move them along X-axis. Switch off solo mode. Create a loop in the middle and bevel it. Extrude them along Y-axis and insert. Now I will do the same process for this hole. Select this loop, press G twice and move it. And this the same. Dissolve this. Create a new one. Go to face select. Insert 2 times. Right click, loop tools, circle, and scale it. By the way, I'm using 2 reference. The viewport reference helps with rough placement. It's a slightly different model and the angle isn't perfectly straight. The floating reference is the exact model, so I use it to check the precise details. Extrude and separate this area. Create a loop and bevel it. Create another loop here, just press once and press E. Move it like that. And I will select the new object, extrude it along Y-axis like this. I will create a loop and bevel it. As you see, okay, that's good, but we can scale it a little. Before scale it, I go to object, set origin to geometry, scale it along Z and X axis like this. Now I will repeat the same process, so follow along. Now I will create this hole. So first thing, I will create a loop here. Go to first select this area and insert it 2 times. Convert it to circle, scale it along z axis. Go to vertex select. I will select these vertices, scale them along x-axis by 0. Do the same here. And here, scale them along z-axis by 0. Do the same here. What I will do now, I will go to face select these faces and push them a little along y-axis. Extend the selection and insert them. Create one loop outside, press once and E. As always, move them close to the edge. Go to face select these faces. Extrude them along y-axis. I will delete the new faces. Select these faces and hide them. Now I will select the corners. Bevel them a little bit and move the mouse wheel a little bit up just to add one segment. Now we have to dissolve some edges. Follow along with me. Since we need the quads, dissolve them, unhide everything. Okay, cool. Add one loop here and bevel it, and one here, bevel it too, but not too much. That's enough. Now select these vertices and press M at last. I will do the same for all corners. Move this loop, so press G twice and move it, and do the same for this loop. I will dissolve this one, create a new one. Right now go to face select and set 2 times as always. Extrude along Y. What I will do, I will select this loop, this one, shift and this one, and bevel them. Okay. Create a loop here and bevel it. And one more here. Bevel it too. And you can add another one here too. And bevel it. Last thing I will do, I will select these faces and hide them. Select the corners. And bevel them with one segment. And dissolve the extra edges as we did with the previous hole. Unhide everything. Right now go to vertex select and select this one, M at last. Right now it's last thing we have to do before finishing the part 2. I will go to face select and select this face and this face. Control S. So the cursor in the middle. Okay, I will create a cylinder. $142. Then scale it. Press dot and scale it more. I will push it along Y, scale it more. Scale it now along Z axis. As you see, apply the scale. go to edit mode. I will select this face, shift and this face, and just press Ctrl Shift plus. And extrude them along normals. Maybe we can push it inside a little, scale it, and push it along Y. Okay. Right now, the model is ready for the material. See you in the next part. Thank you for watching.